Welcome back to part 2 of our visit to the New Forest. So this was Bank Holiday Monday at the beginning of May, and on this occasion we're taking a little short trip to a place called Lyndhurst. As you can see, we drove through it on the way down to the site in the rain, but this time we come back and the weather's a whole lot better, and we shall start at that Ferrari garage. And maybe a bite to eat, but not the shopping. You don't need to see that. There's even a Ferrari shop here. Just look at the gloss on that door. Amazing. Enough, she's shouting at me. Anyway, look, that pub on the left hand side, well, actually we went in there for a spot of food. Well, outside, because you can't eat inside, can you yet? And so I only had a t-shirt and a body warmer on, but it was okay in the sun. It was quite nice and warm. And then we got to sit down, and I'm looking at the menu and I can't believe what I'm seeing here. There's some really stupid mistakes. I mean, larger, or is that supposed to say lager? And whiskey with an E, I am Scottish, drives me nuts. It's an American spelling. And then whilst waiting, as you can see, it's getting cold. Do you like my big bib? I'm thoroughly enjoying myself. You know, and about it, brilliant. And I wonder why they had blankets. But apart from this small issue, the food was absolutely fantastic. I'm absolutely mad with myself. Do you remember a few weeks back I fitted this new breakaway cable? It broke. Such a short memory, it did not. But that's not what happened, is it? You have to own up to these mistakes when you make them. You ended up being a bit of a prat, didn't you? That mental checklist never actually got checked, did it? Is this the point where you sigh? Do you remember a couple of weeks back I had to replace the breakaway cable because I broke it? Well, guess what I did? I broke it again. It broke. So I had to go to a shop and buy a new one. So all I've got to do now is fit it. Mad. Why didn't I check? So job one is to take this ring off, because what I'll need to do is feed that through. There's a little guide hole at the front here, so I'll do that. There's the little guide hole. There we go. Put the ring back on. Put that right. There we go. Clip on. There we go, we've got a new one now.
It does look more substantial.
It does, doesn't it? More substantial than the little one that came off. Anyway. That's all it does, is just hooks onto the bottom of this handbrake, and just, if the car gets detached from the caravan, this thing snaps and pulls the handbrake up and the caravan stops. So it doesn't go careering off into a ditch. It saves your investment. Stop it. Where's he hoovering now?
It's not hoovering.
He's hoovering. Anyway, it pulls the handbrake up, saves your investment because it puts the handbrake cable on. There we go. That's it, fixed. Cool. Hey, now, with no kids around, we thought we could have some Marks and Spencers and possibly combine it with a trip to the sea, look. So we just drove down to, what's the name of this place?
Milford-on-Sea.
Milford-on-Sea. And yeah, I mean, we only came down here because there's a Marks and Spencers. It's quite sad really, came down here to buy some food for Sunday. Well, it's not sad, it'd be a nice Sunday dinner, wouldn't it?
But let's face it, it does show that we're turning to old fartdom, doesn't it?
What, because of no sand?
No, because of
Marks
and Spencers.
Yeah, it is a beach full of pebbles, and yeah, there is a car park, but it's only half a mile away from the town centre where we parked at. I assume it's the town, or is it village? I don't know. Yeah, but it's alright, it's a good day out. I don't know. Would you spend the whole day here?
Nah. No.
Couple of hours?
Yeah. I suppose it's a nice put. We hire somewhere by the sea, got a sea view. But,
Mind you, I suppose all these shops will be open as well, because there's not a lot down here, but there is, like, that cafe's got all the chairs stacked up in it.
yeah.
There's a kids' play area there.
Yeah. Here, little violets underneath, which are my favourite flower and really difficult to find now. So we've taken a few shots of the violets. Always keep your eyes open. Never forget to look down and to look up. Which sounds obvious, doesn't it? But actually,
not really. No,
we don't look down and up. We tend to look just like that.
Oh, you or look down at iPads and iPhones, thing.
Yeah.
People hardly ever look up.
You need to look eye line low. And in fact, behind Steve, which he hasn't just seen, a lovely bird. I don't know what bird it was. Just flew out of the gorse behind him. So I'm going to now go and poke about in the gorse for a bit.
And let the camera focus. There's a car park just back there. And just over between those two bushes, they're smack in the middle of the screen there, just a little bit beyond that, is where the caravan site is. So this is right on your doorstep. Look at the sky. Nice. Until you come around this side, and oh yes, it's raining over there.
Let's do everything. We need to make a bit of a run for those trees a minute.
I think we'll have to.
Yeah.
Is it raining?
Yeah, it just started raining. So.
Well. Oh, Southampton Airport's just over that way. Well, at least the airports are open. Some countries are okay and in the green then.
I was having a play, was trying to get this speed ramp feature going, but anyway.
Too far away. So I'm trying to record something and you... what's that noise? Oh. Oh, there we go. That's why we come to the New Forest, I suppose. There's another one just here, look, Fiona. This is me. Wow. Wow. He's eating. Is that grass he's eating, or like he's eating poo? No. Wow. How close you want to get? Figured you could reach out and touch him.
Unbelievable.
Well, thank you for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe and click the little bell for notifications.